Its source is a mystery, and it's causing some people sleepless nights in the capital.
Most people have rung in the middle of the night, and they describe it as a low pitched hum that basically keeps them awake.
Residents in Mount Victoria describe the hum as sounding similar to this, recorded by scientists on Auckland's North Shore in 2006, when a similar phenomenon was reported.
My partner heard something that she thought was a hum on Sunday. I don't know what it is.
It's a mystery hum to me, yeah.
I haven't heard it yet. I'm looking forward to it though.
Noise control officers dispatched by the City Council have failed to find the source, let alone hear the sound themselves. One theory is power stations create the noise, only this one is on the other side of town. Another theory is it's houses in dips or hollows that hear the sound, and when the wind blows over the hill, it creates a resonance effect. Some people think it's the cumulative effect of many fridges sitting next to sinks and reverberating.
One guy said, hey, it could be extractor fans from bakeries that work at night, but there's no bakeries really around Mount Vic. And also somebody else said it could be Smorg, the dragon from The Hobbit, lying under Mount Vic.
Perhaps another theory for the council to investigate. Jannika Terrellin, 3 News.